Namaste and a very warm welcome to our channel, Trusty Traders. I know it's been a very long time since we met, and on that note, I would request you to go through the disclaimer once again, and would like to state that this is an educational channel, and kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any financial or trade-related decisions. On that note, let's start. So last time we met, we were going through a series wherein we were discussing important indicators. With the onset of AI and algo trading, a lot of things have changed, and very few and fantastic new indicators have turned up. And as a part of this series, probably we'll be covering certain indicators which were there before the onset of AI and algo trading came into place, and probably also some things or some ones that have turned up recently. As a part of this initiative, I'll be discussing only a single indicator, and probably we might go on adding a few indicators later on as we move along the upcoming videos. But as far as this video is concerned, we'll be covering only a single indicator. And probably if you are not using it, you might want to add it up with the set of indicators that you are using and see as to how it works. All right, on that note, let's start. So we are on TradingView. I'm going to the indicators tab and adding linear regression candles by Ugurvu. If you see, it is already added. It is overlapped on the existing chart, and we'll go to this and just move it to in below. A few change in the settings as far as style is concerned. I have not done any change in inputs. Signal smoothing is 11. The regression length is also 11. A lot of people use 711 also as far as this indicator is concerned. So I'll add it up also. We'll do the same thing. I'll go to these three dots, go to this move to tab and add it into new pane below. You see, we'll just change the signal smoothing to 7. Just change the style to probably, let's say, orange. I'll leave it on to you just to see and compare as to which one works for you. All right, so now let's see how it works. So you would like to take a trade wherein you see a change in color on the linear regression candles. Let's say at 19 September, 9:15, 9:50, I got a red. So I'll be initiating a sell, keeping a stop loss in two ways. Either it could be the swing high or it could be the high of the existing candle or the previous candle. It completely depends on how, what is your risk profile. I probably am not somebody who is much into this 1:1 or 1:1.5 risk reward and all those things. I'm a scalper, and I don't mind taking multiple trades, and 20 to 30 points on a daily basis is enough for me. Now, for that, if I have to take 10 trades, I'll take 10 trades. If I have to take 5 trades, 5 trades. One trade, also one trade. It's completely fine with me. No restrictions on that. So as to how does it work? So if you see a change in color, you initiate. I'm seeing a change in color from green to red. So I'll initiate a short here. And when I get my 20 to 30 rupees, I'll close the trade. Or when I see a change in color, I'll close the trade. And the third one is when my stop loss gets hit. In these three situations, I'll close the trade. All right. So if you see, you focus your attention over here. So see, Nifty is 25,538. I'm getting a change in color, and I'll be initiating a sell. Now, if you go down 25,538, and here at 10:05, if you see, the color of the linear regression candles hasn't changed. It is still red. So I'll be holding my positions. Holding my positions till what? Till 10:35. Till 10:35, yeah. So at 10:35, it is 25,511.65. So if you see, if you would have initiated a sell here at 5:38, you would have closed it at 5:11. You would have made what? 27. But if you see at 10:05, it went to 25,500, which is like, I'm done for the day, right? It's a 38 rupee move. Mind you, this is Nifty cash and not Nifty futures. So probably you would have to align it accordingly, but that is how it works. The main idea here, the main gist here is to understand as to how do you use it. See, for any indicator, you have to understand how do you use it? What is your stop loss and what is your target? Three simple things. So as far as this linear regression candle is concerned, you initiate a trade when you see a change in color. It's red. If it's red, you initiate a sell. If it's green, you initiate a buy. So I initiated my sell here, took my 20-30 points, and I got out. Now I was lucky enough to get it in another 15 minutes, and I got out. If you would have waited for another, for a change in color, maybe you would have got out at 10:35. Probably after from 9:50 to 10:35, right? For 45 minutes. What is important here is that you take whatever targets that you have kept in mind. You have to understand, you have to be very realistic, right? A lot of people are like, they want an 80 or 100-point move. For that, probably the market needs to oblige, and it doesn't work, or you don't get it every day. Another important thing, a lot of people don't initiate, sell if the red candle gets formed above the line. They initiate it only when they get it below this line, signal smoothing line. So probably it's all on them, right? If you see, this is a 7-11 linear regression, and if you say this candle that was formed at 10 o'clock was formed below, whereas for 11-11 signal, settings, it was formed above. So if people who are very strict as far as those criteria of the candle being formed above the line or below the line is concerned, the 7-11 would have initiated the sell, while as the 11-11 guys would not have. So it is all, I am not much into that. I initiated if I get a substantial distance between the line and the candles, I initiate. Similarly, if you see from here, there is no from 1320, 1325, there is not a lot of distance till 1520. So there is not a lot of distance between the candles and the lines. I would not initiate any trades. Anyways, I'm done for the day. So similarly, if you go back on 19 September 9:15, you got a green, right? You got a green. You took a buy trade. The green was at 25,550 on Nifty, and 587 immediately in the next 5 minutes. You are done with your 25-30 points. You get out. What is important here is, let's say if you would have waited, and if you would have waited for the candle to turn red, right? So say it's at 538 now, you would have entered at 550, 538. Now you're losing. Now you're losing money instead of making. So this is the challenge with these candles also. So sometimes by the time it turns red, the color change happens, it would have crossed your entry price. So this is what I'm trying to say, that if you're getting your targets, if you're achieving your targets, it doesn't make sense in holding. The beauty of the market is, like, sometimes if you hold the positions, you might make a humongous amount of money. And sometimes if you still hold, you might lose what you have. So discipline is the key. For example, on the 10th of September, if you see, right, from red it turned to green at 10:20, right? What is Nifty? 24,934. I got a red here at 11:05. From 9:34 to 9:53.50. Okay. The high was obviously 971, but probably I'll be waiting for the candle to close. So it's 9:50. So what? 19-20 points. Again, not a bad deal. It's a red, I'll be getting out. But let's see if you did not got out. Okay, you would like, no, let me take the risk and let me hold on. I find it trending. So do you see this spectacular move till 1350, right? When you got the another rate, it was at 25,119. Can you imagine the amount of money you would have made from 24,934 to 25,119? So it's what, 184 point move on the Nifty. So, but then if you are disciplined, right, or if you are like strictly governed by what the rule says, you would have got out over here, and probably you would have entered here. It's a different story, right? Again, coming back here. Okay. A red here, initiate a sell at 25,119. Wait. 25,094. Have you received or have you seen a green here? No, you hold your positions. You saw a green here at what? 15.15, which is at 25.50. All right. So sale was initiated 25,119, 120 almost, and you close it at 25.50, 70-point move. So you're done for the day. All right. So again, I would not have waited another 20, 30 points and I would have been out. So this is the beauty of the markets. Being a scalper, 20, 30-point move is more than enough for me. So I hope you like this video. Add this up into your existing trading strategy and let us see how it works out. Let me know if it worked out well for you. Always remember, there is no point in being greedy. 20, 30 points on the Nifty is a great thing. And if you have to take 5 trades, take 5 trades. I prefer making those 20, 30 points using option selling and not into futures. And again, as I hedge my positions relatively, I'm managing my risk also. So on that note, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would be very happy to hear your reviews, and I hope this works out fantastically well for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.